watch the video, and to remind folks that if you are younger than 18 years of age, you need your parents' permission to watch my channel. This is an adult doll collecting channel. Guys, welcome back to TeesDollroom. Today we're going to unbox and review Sweet Venom Jordan. She's part of the Boudoir Wave 2 Integrity Toys collection. This was a lottery offering, and we had to do a lot of sweating and a lot of hoping to see if we could win these dolls, win the right to buy these dolls. There is a little controversy going on with the doll, but we'll get into that later in the video. First of all, the pictures that came out, the promo pictures, were just gorgeous of this doll. She is dark A-tone in complexion, but after she shipped, after everybody won their little lottery notice and she was shipped out and people started receiving her, some folks noticed that the vinyl of her head was a lot darker than her body. And in certain light, my doll certainly looks that way. And I have to tell you that after years and years of collecting Integrity Toys dolls, I was kind of disappointed in that, because either I've had a really good run, a very lucky person, that most of the dolls that I have received have had virtually no defects to them. Over the years, I think I can count maybe 2 or 3 dolls that I've bought from them that had obvious defects, but then I don't go over my dolls with a microscope and a jeweler's loop and a headlight either. But I was kind of disappointed to look at this doll and to see that her head was so much darker than her body. So I'll turn that around and let you guys get a look. Okay, now getting back to the doll. First of all, I like to say that I love the fact that in the last couple of years, Integrity has been coming out with some really diverse looking skin tones for the dolls. I appreciate that about it, but I do have to say that I'm kind of disappointed in this. Integrity says there's a difference between the materials that they use for the head, which is a softer vinyl, than the materials they use for the body. But it's still the same skin tone, but they don't photograph, or the shading is off or something like that. But on inspection, looking at my doll, I can tell a definite difference between her face and her body. It's not so great that it's going to make me fall out of love with the doll, but you know, when I look at it, I am a little disappointed in this one. I'll just say that. But every other thing about her, the concept, her faux leather bustier, and her whole ensemble, I really love that. I love the concept for her. I like her makeup. I like her dark lip. I like all of that. Don't get me wrong. But I am a little disappointed about the discrepancy between the head and the body coloration. So we're going to go ahead and get Miss Jordan out of the box, and I'll tell you what her COA says, Certificate of Authenticity, and we'll go ahead and get her the box. Alright, so my Sweet Venom Jordan is 673 of 750. So let's get Jordan out of the box. Alright, and as usual, she comes with her stand and her telescoping saddle part that goes down in the stand base. They're standard for all IT dolls. And of course, here's her wrist tag. And upon inspection, her face really is lovely. I have to say that. For some reason, she doesn't look as severe as previous versions of Jordan tends to look sometimes. So let's get these leg wraps off of her. And let's see here. before we get to the goodies, her fabulous accessories. So she's got some fishnet hose. Actually, it looks like her fishnet hose is attached to her shoes, her stilettos. And she's got this, looks like a choker with a spider pendant on it. And she's got some earrings here. And it looks like there's a ring as well. And then we've got the faux leather gloves. An extra pair of hands with short nails. All of this. And then we have her perfume bottle. So let's go look at that and get it out of these packages. Okay, so isn't that cute? This is her perfume atomizer. I like the way they packaged it. So cute. I'll be sure to keep it and put it back in there. And the shoes are attached to the hose. Okay. We'll get you some close-ups of these. So here we go. Hairnet off of Jordan and look at her hair. So her hair is very thick, has some type of styling product in here to make it kind of set in the style, but I'm very pleased with the thickness and the texture of her hair. It's that really silky fiber that they used on the Ocean Drive Agnes, so they're knocking it out of the box with the hair on these dolls here. And the bustier, it zips in the back, and of course we have the garters here. So she's quite lovely. Beautiful lashes. Alright, let's see if we can get these stockings slash stilettos on her without any major incident. Now, just so you know, there is a clear plastic vinyl piece over the toe of this shoe. And that's necessary to keep this stiletto on her foot, or else it would just slip through the mesh of these fishnet stockings here. work some magic and fasten these garters. I haven't had very much luck in the past with these garters, so I'll cross my fingers today. Let's see if I can manage to get the garters on. This one to go on. Back was a little stubborn, so let's see if we can make this happen. This stocking is a little tighter than the other one, so. All right. We're getting there. I'm sure there's some smart, talented person out there who has managed to put these gloves on this doll. If you have, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you did it. And I am not going to put the gloves on because those gloves are just not my thing. Spray to loosen up. For quaff. joints are nice and tight. So I'm gonna get her to hold this perfume bottle in her hand. Okay, so we got Miss Jordan with her accessories on, minus her ring, because I don't like losing the ring, so I rarely put them on my dolls. But I like the whole concept of her. She's got this badass dominatrix look to her, so she's gonna be a nice contrast to all the lace and silk and satin of the other ensembles that I have in my Boudoir dolls. So I like this. Other than being just a tad bit disappointed about the color contrast between her head and her body, I think she's perfect. I think she's gorgeous, and I can't wait to get her redressed and some other things, and hopefully in my pictures the color contrast between her face and her body won't be so noticeable. But this is Miss Sweet Venom Jordan. She's part of the Boudoir Wave 2 lottery offering from the W Club 2019 year. So this is her in all her beauty. I think she's a gorgeous doll, despite the disappointment. So you guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video, because I'm still trying to get to my 1,000 subscribers. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.